equipado con detector de humo para ser más violento. Estancia por donde tenemos tu
Mira, mira,
puede ver el menú y la operación que se encuentra en el bolsillo del asiento delantero.
qué chulada. Aquí una vista de pájaros.
Hoy nuestra tripulación se formaba por nuestro capitán Nicola de Suiza y el profesor Roman de Francia. En la cabina parte delantera tenemos nuestro sobrecargo Miriam de Barcelona y a su lado Sean de Barcelona también. En la parte trasera tenemos a mi compañero Geroni de Barcelona. Mi nombre es Stein, soy de Bélgica, Bruselas. Para cualquier cosa que puedan necesitar abordar, estamos a tu entera disposición. En nombre de todos nosotros te deseamos un buen vuelo. Now please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. All the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. We remind you again that smoking is not allowed on board, including toilets and smoke detectors. To make your time more enjoyable today on board, we would like to offer a bar service. In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a menu with all the prices and employed articles you can purchase. In a few minutes, we shall be passing through the cabin of the bar service. At this time, I would like to introduce your crew for today's flight, Captain Nicola from Switzerland and First Officer Roman from France. In the cabin of the front, we have a person Miriam from Barcelona, and next to her Sean from Barcelona as well. And the rear of the cabin, we have my colleague Geroni from Barcelona. My name is Dan and I'm from Belgium, Brussels. We will do the rest to ensure that your experience will be enjoyable. On behalf of the entire crew, we wish you a pleasant wedding.